Juju don dey in high places. So one photographer just saved some couples for their wedding reception. This one dey happen inside Edo State. In fact, this one wey I even happen artist in a film, but this one dey happen real life. On another wedding settings na where people go dey gather dey celebrate with couples. Na there one evil woman just come outside carry juju for hand, come begin use this thing dey rotate on top of this bride head and the family. If no be say this photographer even notice this thing quick, in fact, I sure say this girl destiny for don go. My people abeg, make una follow me see this one. Places. Make na even look, she even resemble real witch. But in fact, this photographer, this one what you do, you supposed to go do fasting and prayer, because this woman fit don vex, come go transfer all the aggression wey she won't put on top of this girl. Come carry the whole juju, come put on top of your body. But I don't people fear now inside person wedding. And I not even wait, make everywhere cool. Where person they dance, now they na still come carry this thing, go they rotate them. In fact, these people they supposed to thank God. I sure say they get God close to their heart. Because if say this woman go rotate this thing 3 times, she don't even do it 2 times. If say the 3rd one just go, I sure say then these people their own don't go. When they talk and say juju, then some people talk say na lie. Or they see say juju things they really work. But beg now, what make me they prefer say if you won't do your wedding, do them on a quiet level. Because you know no person where they happy for you. You feel that they think and say your friend they happy, you go surprise say on that your wedding day. They go carry something come drop for you. Now their tribulations and so bad things go just begin happen. Now what it make till they say so many people know they even agree say spray wedding money for my wedding. Because now the kind of money where people they carry now charm now in the inside. Even your wedding gift, if you know they careful, now another thing they don't put inside. I don't know why person go just day. Your own wedding will be said they're supposed to jubilate with you. They go they think and say may they destroy your wedding. I beg now the man you like, I beg now the woman you like. If you like and why you no go meet her in the first place, okay, I like you. Maybe the man go change his mind. Person don't decide say won't marry this person finish. Now that day, I can't know say I won't go destroy this whole thing. But I beg these ladies, I even surprised. This kind of thing happen. The bride and the sister down there they dance. In fact, they just they so careless because nobody not supposed fear. Go sit down for one place. But I hope after this one, as I see this one, you know go church, go pray well. Because no be say hope say the thing where the woman don't even do this small. No be say the thing go get effect on top of her body. Make her carry the matter serious. Carry and go church, go do fasting and prayer. May they revoke any evil thing where this woman don't put on top of her body. But a good make person get close to God, because if not be God, I sure say this photographer no go even see what they happen. You no go even notice anything. I sure say now God won't show one so that then these couples go use and learn. And I hope see people where they watch on herself go use and learn lesson. My people beg, I hear this one as make I bring and come. Make myself use na ear. Hear what they happen. Anything you feel about this matter, make not forget to write down inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video.